Here I have HUAWEI Mate 30 and let me show you how to enter here the safe mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and touch power off. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's press together power key and volume up. So keep holding together those two keys, power key and volume up, and you have to press those two keys until the recovery mode pops up. So let's just keep holding them. The HUAWEI logo pops up, but let's still hold down those two keys. And now you can release both keys. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down and choose safe mode. Let's press power key. And wait until your device will be in a safe mode. Excellent, as you can see the safe mode pops up, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. It could be really useful. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's press power key. Choose restart and touch restart one more time. Let's wait until your phone will be in a normal way, in a normal mode. Excellent, now you can use your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.